In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Shopify authentication code and enable two-step authentication to make your Shopify account more secure. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside your Shopify admin dashboard, click on your store name or profile icon, usually located at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Account. Inside your account settings, look for the Security section and click on it. Here you'll find options related to account protection and login verification. Now locate the option called Two-Step Authentication or Two-Factor Authentication and click Turn On. Shopify will then give you several authentication methods to choose from. One of the most common options is using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Select your preferred authenticator app option and continue. Next, Shopify will display a QR code on the screen. Open your authenticator app on your phone and scan the QR code. After scanning, the app will instantly generate a temporary 6-digit authentication code. Enter that code back into Shopify to verify the setup. Once confirmed, two-step authentication will officially be activated on your Shopify account. From now on, whenever you log in, Shopify will ask for both your password and the authentication code generated by your authenticator app. This extra layer of security helps protect your store from unauthorized access and keeps your customer and payment information safer. Shopify may also provide backup recovery codes during setup. Save these somewhere secure in case you lose access to your phone or authenticator app. For additional help with Shopify account security, visit the official Shopify Security Help Center. And that's it. You now know how to get your Shopify authentication code and secure your account with two-step verification. Thanks for watching.